need to create this kind of spring or helix option with the help of NX software. Just go with the new document and type the helix and find out the helix command. Now first of all apply the required parameters. So go with the diameter of 250, pitch value 100 and total height go with the 1000. Now our helix is ready. For the circular profile, home option and prepare one datum plane. Use the option of curve and point. Select this curve, point and curve. On this plane, create this sketch. Okay, for this point we need to use the intersect point option and select. Okay, point is ready. Now create one circle for the profile as a particular radius of particular diameter of 45. Path and profile is ready. Now surface option, find out the swept command. First of all reset this command and then apply the profile and swept curve. Okay, spring shape is ready. Hide the datum and datum plane.